Hey, you guys. I just wanted to do a quick video this afternoon. Somebody had asked me, well, what do you think is going to happen, at the end of all this? I assume that's what he was asking economically. Um, well, I said it in a few recent videos, going back at least a month or so, that what we're going to get is not this inflation or deflation like people are trying to figure out and position for. But what we're going to get is both of them really. It just depends on what thing you're looking at. Um, Now the zero hedge guys today got an article on it, and they call it biflation, and it's pretty straightforward. I mean, all you have to do is look around. The things that you want to buy, the things that you need to buy, are going to be way more expensive in the future. The prices are going way up on them, and the things that you have, real estate, or whatever, is going to go down. I mean, even CNBC is now reporting that um, housing values are starting to sharp turn down. So that's what we're looking at as far as what's going to happen. I mean, what when the debt defaults and all this, it's not going to be pretty. I mean, when the IMF or the World Bank and all this stuff basically takes over the country, you don't have any property left anymore. That's what happens. It all goes into the pool. They're going to come in and basically, it's like when you file bankruptcy. Everything goes onto the bank's balance sheet, and it's the same way here. And we're just running full steam into it. I mean, for at least a couple months now, the IMF and the World Bank, they've been making these comments that the dollar, or say, forget it, stick a fork in it. The dollar's done. We're going to go to this one world currency, Bancor and Amero and all this stuff. That's what they've already been saying it. Now, like my video yesterday, I said that they printed and put $4 billion into the markets just to support them for yesterday, and they did it again today. So that's just 2 days in a row, $8-9 billion out of thin air, using these POMO, permanent open market operations. It's just money laundering. It's the Fed giving the primary dealer some money. They buy treasuries, redeem them, and then the Fed uses that to prop up the markets. And some people out there are saying, "Oh, well, that's what they're going to do from now on." Well, they can't do that from now on. That's got a quickly decaying lifespan of printing $4 billion a day and throwing it at the markets just to prop them. It's a total loss. So we have this thing here with the markets, Bernanke and Geithner. It's a damn weekend at Bernie's for the markets. And why are they doing this? Going to great extents to make the markets look good. Well, the markets are the opiate for the public. You hear it every little newscast on the radio. This is ABC News, and they'll run down what old blah blah said today, and then there's some other story in this, and then they say, oh, and the Dow finished up 20 points. Whee! Oh, it's great. But people think, they hear that the Dow's up 20 points, they think everything's fine. That's the reason they're doing it. And for what? It may be something as simple as somebody hadn't finished buying their property in Paraguay yet for their escape. But it's not going to last long. That's definitely for sure. They can't keep doing this. And behind the scenes, the UN's calling for, we want one world government right now. The IMF, we want to go one world currency right now. But still, there's this positioning going on, and that's all that's happening now. Everything you see and read about right now, it's just these people positioning so for their own survival after it all implodes. I mean, reduce it to the simplest terms. That's all you have to do. There's no hope of recovery right now because they intend to destroy it. Everybody in the world is saying we're destroyed. But people here think, oh no, we're not destroyed. We're recovering. Oh, it's going to recover. It's not. and there's no way out of this hole. And they've already, 6 months ago, it was mathematically impossible to ever repay the debt. And it's all the worse now. So, well, I hope that answered a question I was kind of asked, and I'll include the article too. Other than that, have a good day, and thanks for listening. Bye.